Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel Say Francis. In today's video, we are going to learn the vocabulary of different things in a house, les choses dans une maison. This video is the second part of the vocabulary building series. Do watch the previous part where I have explained how to pronounce different rooms in a house. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be kept updated about the future videos from this series. Let's begin. Un canapé, which is a sofa. Un lit, bed. Un tapis, carpet. Une table, a table. Une fenêtre, a window. Une porte, door. Un fauteuil, an armchair. Une chaise, a chair. Une armoire, cupboard. Une horloge, which is a wall clock. Un oreiller, pillow. Un réfrigérateur, fridge. Un ordinateur, computer. Un toit, roof. Un miroir, mirror. Un rideau, curtain. Une lamp. Un réveil, which is an alarm. Une baignoire, which is a bathtub. Un panier, basket. Une télévision, a television. Un mur, wall. Un ventilateur, a fan. Une poubelle, dustbin. Un telephone. Thank you so much for watching. If this was useful for you, hit the like button. Next video of this series is going to be even more interesting as you will be learning a lot of new French words related to things which we use in our day-to-day lives. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Au revoir. Bye.